Hello everyone and welcome. This is Science Visualized. Today we're looking at the reactions of alkynes where we're focusing on reactions with HX, that's hydrogen halide. HX can be HCl, HBr, or HI. If we look at this first structure, you'll see that we have carbon 1, which is an alkyne carbon. It has one hydrogen, and then you have a triple bond to carbon 2, and then a single bond to carbon 3, which has 3 hydrogens. So those two structures are similar. 1, 2, and 3. In the first case, we add HCl, so that will add H and Cl across the triple bond following Markovnikov. And you know Markovnikov means hydrogen adds to the carbon with the most hydrogen. See, carbon 1 has 1 hydrogen, carbon 2 has no hydrogen. So you end up adding hydrogen to the first carbon, carbon 1. And then the triple bond reduces, it becomes a double bond. And then the Cl adds to the other carbon, so the second carbon. Now, if you're only using one equivalent of HCl, the product stops there, so that's the final product. But if you add another HCl, again that will add in a Markovnikov fashion where H adds to the carbon that has more hydrogen, and carbon 1 now has 2 hydrogens. It has the original 1 hydrogen plus the new hydrogen. So that means the new hydrogen will add to that, so that one there. And then the Cl will add to the other carbon, carbon number 2. So you end up with that product. Next, we'll look at addition of HCl, but now we are using twice equivalents. So that means twice the amount of HCl. So you could write 2 HCl or 2 equivalents of HCl, or sometimes they will say excess HCl. All those mean the same thing. That means you have more than one equivalent, and therefore you're going to have step 1 and step 2 together, and you end up adding the 2 hydrogens on carbon 1 and then the Cl on carbon 2, and again it follows Markovnikov.